chicken with all of its golden eggs. I have these hypnotism darts and I'm gonna hit him with it. Gotcha! Okay, chicken, you listen here. You are to not let the good assistant near these eggs. Don't let her take them. Don't even let her look at them if possible. I'll be right back. And remember, don't let her near them.
Hey, assistant, what are you doing?
I'm gonna go talk to my friend the chicken. He has golden eggs too.
Oh, really? Let's go say hi to your friend the chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the chicken. Hey, chicken.
Hi, chicken. What?
What's wrong with the chicken? What got on its feathers? It's got a Nerf gun! Assistant, go, get out of here! What's it doing? What? Chicken, no! Chicken, what are you doing? Let's get out of here! Assistant! Here! What's going on?
Here.
What's going on with that chicken?
I think the evil assistant has been there, and she used a Nerf gun that they make like special hypnotizing darts. So maybe the evil assistant hit him with one of it, and then he's hypnotized to protect the golden eggs or get me.
You think so? You think the chicken's been hypnotized? Let me go look.
But we just need to find a way to
check him out. All right, I'm gonna go look and see if the chicken's hypnotized. Let me see. Chicken, are you hypnotized? Are you hypnotized? Are you hypnotized? Oh no! Oh, what's going on? Oh, let's get out of here with this chicken! Assistant!
Come on!
We gotta get out of here. Here, we're gonna have to have a plan.
I know. Maybe we should find the Nerf dart that she used.
That's a good idea. Let's see. And then we need to get one of those eggs back, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's look on the ground for any looking.
All right. So let's try to sneak in. Let's go in this way. Ready?
Let's go in the back way.
Let's go in the back way.
This is a good hiding spot behind this tree.
Okay. All right. So we got to grab one of those eggs. Oh, you got to hide. Good job. You see the chicken?
Yes. We're looking this way.
I don't know how good of an eyesight a chicken has, though. Oh, ooh. All right, assistant.
What do I do?
Go out. Come this way. The chicken's going that way. The chicken's going that way. All right, grab a couple of the eggs. Grab a couple of the eggs. Go, assistant, run before the chicken gets us. This way.
I got two.
You got two? Was there anything inside of the big one? The little ones are still developing, right?
Yeah, so we won't open that one. It's Catboy, Owlet, and Gecko. Look.
Cool, you watch out, assistant. So you found that. All right, so we're gonna have to have a new way to get them.
Oh man, it looks like the good assistant got one of the golden eggs. Well, I think that chicken has some tricks up his sleeve. The plan is, there's a hidden Nerf gun right up the slide there. I'm gonna grab it and shoot at the chicken.
So up there is the hidden Nerf gun, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
All right, let's go. So the assistant's gonna run up the slide. Good job, assistant. I don't think the chicken sees you. Chicken doesn't see you yet. I'm gonna hide too. So there's the chicken. Assistant, you missed!
I missed!
Assistant, you gotta get the chicken! Get the chicken!
I keep missing!
You can't. Oh, you got the gun! I think the chicken's getting scared now! You got the chicken on the run! Wait, assistant! It might be a booby trap. Because the booby. Look, the chicken's right there. Oh, he ducked! He ducked! Wait, oh, there! Oh, where'd he go? There, go! Go! You missed! Go, there! Assistant, this isn't working! We gotta have a different plan. Here, let's go right here. I got an idea. Or do you remember the Nerf remote control thing we have?
Yeah, we can spy on it.
That's a great idea. Let's get that, okay?
Okay.
Oh, stay down! Stay down!
Okay. let's go. Oh boy, this isn't looking good. Now I have to do something extra special.
Okay, assistant, we've got our remote control Nerf blaster. Are you ready to go get that chicken?
Yeah.
Let's go. You see people at home, she's controlling it. Right there on the screen. Are you in front of a wall now, assistant? So you're gonna go straight. Turn to the left. Oh, turn. Wait a minute, you see the chicken?
Wait, I can't. Oh. There's a chicken. I'm on fire.
The chicken! I think you're getting it. What's the chicken doing? What's the chicken doing?
I'm gonna go charge! Charge!
Wait, what happened? What happened to the chicken?
I can't see! It's out of control!
What? The chicken's got it! No! You do it! It's gonna fire at us!
I'm gonna fire it!
The chicken's trying to fire it back at us!
Luckily, it's out of dark!
Duck! Goose! Duck, goose. Get it? All right, we're gonna have to find another way. You see it right there on the camera? Let's see what we're seeing on the camera.
Okay.
All right, let's see what we're seeing on the camera. I can't see anything.
Oh, okay. There's a chicken's face.
Do you see the chicken?
I do.
The chicken had it in front of its face. I don't see it. There's the egg.
Oh, it's coming towards us!
No, I don't think so. Oh, there's the chicken's face right there. Oh, he's taunting us by looking right into it.
The chicken's right there.
Oh, the chickens, get out of here, assistant!
Yeah! Wait, the golden eggs!
We're gonna have to get in a different way.
Okay. I've had enough of this. We're just gonna do a full frontal attack.
Oh, okay, assistant, let's do that. We gotta get that chicken, right?
Right.
All right, assistant. Wait, we still need to be sneaky though, right?
Oh, really? Because I just said that our whole plan out loud.
Right here, behind the wall. Ready? Right here. Behind the wall right there. All right, ready? All right, I'm gonna come over here.
Okay, ready?
I see the eggs. Oh, assistant!
Save us!
Oh, we can't, there's no way. Oh, we gotta go. There's no way we can do that. He'll get us every time. What are we're gonna have to have a new plan.
I know the plan.
What's that?
Up here.
Okay, you're gonna go up the slot up there?
Come on.
I'm going. All right. So what's the plan, assistant?
You know the secret room that we have down there?
There's a secret room down there?
Yes, and we're gonna go down there and we'll shoot it from behind.
Oh, wait a minute, that's a great idea. Cause look, I see the chicken right there. You think we can get behind the chicken?
Yes.
All right, so you go down the slide first and then I'll go down second.
Don't shoot until you get down there?
Oh, yeah, definitely wait. Cause look, the chicken's waiting for you. He's expecting us to come in from that way. That silly chicken.
Cause he probably heard it.
Look, he's got, that's your nerf right there, right?
Bye.
All right, let's go down that slide. Hi, assistant, we gotta go. Bye. So we found PJ Masks and those eggs. I wonder what else is in there.
I know. I wonder what else.
I see your head. You gotta go all the way down. All right.
Okay, I'm down.
All right, I'm coming down now. Okay, people home, we're gonna go down the slide. Whoa. All right, shh. Let's duck down, right here. Duck down, ready? Duck down. You gotta make sure it's gonna work. There's the chicken. Wait a minute, shh. Do you see it? The chicken's right there. Get down, before he sees you. Let's look, see if we can see it between the wall.
It's looking away. I think this is our chicken.
Okay, assistant, wait a second.
Okay, it's on its head.
All right, so you're gonna have to pop up and get it. Ready? Go. We got you, chicken! We got you! Good job, assistant!
Yeah!
All right, let's go back around.
Come on.
Here's another way we can get through here, right? We've got to tell that chicken that the evil assistant's the bad guy, right?
Right, not us.
Not us.
Okay, chicken, you can unfreeze now.
Oh, we hit you with a new hypnotizing dart, right, assistant?
Right, let's get this out of the way.
Yeah, let's get that out of the way.
The good assistant got the chicken back on her side. Ooh, she may have won this battle, but I'll be back. I always am.
Chicken, the evil assistant's the bad guy, not the real good assistant. Oh, that's right, you guys are friends. And there are your golden eggs. All right, assistant, you want to see what's in the big golden egg?
Sure. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Just kidding.
Don't do that.
It's Romeo and Luna Girl.
Luna Girl. Okay, chicken. Remember, the evil assistant's bad. What are you going to do with that evil assistant? That's right. And people at home, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And what else should they do, assistant?
Watch us on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Happy Kids TV.
That's right. So we had fun on our super fun gold surprise egg hunt and our surprise egg fort, right, assistant?
Right. I wonder what the evil assistant's thinking right now.
She probably wants to get out of here, right?
Right.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Assistant, what's wrong with Waggles?
He had surgery.
Oh no, does he have any restrictions?
Yeah, no roughhousing with Wiggles. Have him only eat rice and no getting wet.
No getting wet. So he can't do any kind of roughhousing or getting on heights or anything. So we gotta take good care of him. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Poor Waggles.
Oh, I heard Waggles just had surgery. Well, I can think of a way to make it a little tougher on him. Okay, Waggles, now you sit here right next to this dinosaur while I go get your white rice. Waggles can only eat rice, she says. Well, I'm gonna give him this giant bone. Waggles, you want a bone? Here's a bone. Oh, Waggles will love this rice. Waggles, how'd you get that bone?
Assistant, did you give him that bone? He's not allowed to have bones.
No, Waggles, you can't have that bone.
Who did that?
I don't know.
Oh boy, well let him have his rice. We're gonna have to figure something else out, okay?
Okay.
Oh man, let's go check on Wiggles, okay?
Yeah, let's go. Oh man, she got the bone and gave him the rice. Hey, no roughhousing, she says. Well, how would Waggles like to go down a slide? Okay, Waggles, let's go up here. That assistant, she'll never catch me. Hey, wait a minute. The rice is here, but where'd Waggles go?
I don't know. What's going on? He didn't finish his rice either, did he?
No.
Something suspicious. I wonder if somebody else is out here. We gotta find Waggles.
Yeah, let's go find Waggles. Waggles, Waggles, where are you?
Where did that puppy go?
Waggles, you're not allowed to be doing any roughhousing.
Waggles, you can't get on the slide. How'd you even get up here?
How do you get up here?
Oh man, I don't know, assistant. Maybe we should put him on his lap and come on down the slide.
Okay.
We've gotta watch him because he keeps going up on heights. He's trying to eat a bone. Oh man, so many things he's not supposed to do.
Whoa!
So, wait a minute, we don't know. You didn't come back with Wiggles, so we still gotta find Wiggles.
Yeah, let's go find Wiggles.
He's usually by a swimming pool, right?
Right, let's go to a swimming pool. Oh man, he didn't go down the slide. But he can't get his stitches wet. And I saw a little someone named Wiggles playing over by the pool. Here you are, Waggles. Let's take you over to the pool where Wiggles is. Wiggles, here's your playmate. I better get out of here. for me. Hi, Wiggles. Waggles, you can't be... I know it's tempting, but you cannot play with Wiggles, no matter how tempting it is. You're restricted.
Yeah, how did you even get over here by Wiggles' swimming pool?
Yeah, I thought he only knew about it.
Wiggles, what are you doing? Are you trying to drink a lot of the water? Wiggles, that's not a drinking fountain. That's not a drinking fountain, Wiggles. You can't drink like that. Oh, you're silly doggy. But assistant, we gotta figure out what's happening to Waggles. Why does he keep getting moved?
Right.
Maybe we need to set up a trap. Do you have any ideas?
Yeah. Let's go think of a trap. I've got this decoy and we're gonna use it, but I have to act like this is really Waggles and set him up down on the chair.
That's a great idea. So then, when the person comes, you're gonna grab them, right?
Right. Oh, good boy, Waggles. Now wait here as I get you some more rice.
Oh, look at the good pretend Waggles. Hi, pretend Waggles. We're gonna catch who's grabbing you. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, I just thought you put Waggles in a chair. Well, that was a mistake, because I'm going to grab him and do something really bad. Look, it's the evil assistant who's doing it. I gotta go get her.
Assistant, you're right. It's the evil assistant. She keeps being the one that's gonna hurt Waggles and get his stitches all messed up, right?
Right, we gotta go catch her.
Yeah.
I've got you, evil assistant! Oh no, the assistant's coming for me. I gotta get out of here. Oh man, she got away.
Assistant, she got away again. How are we gonna catch her, people at home?
I don't know.
Ask your parents if it's okay to leave a comment to tell us how can we catch that evil assistant. We need some more plans, don't we?
Yeah, and quick. She might be heading like out of the country.
Oh, that's right. And you know what? What kind of surgery do you think Waggles had? Ha ha ha. We'll keep that one a secret for now. But make sure you subscribe and like our channel, right?
Right.
Okay, assistant, let's go catch that evil assistant, right?